Hello, this is Dennis McDonald with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. I'm going to show you a few things. This bulb here that was located on the circuit board right here, one of the legs broke off, and when we moved it around a little bit, the other leg broke off. So this bulb here has no legs, basically. So we want to replace that, and I want to show you how we check the new bulb that we're going to put in. I want to set this down, and let's connect this. Let's connect the capacitor up, and we want to connect the bulb up, and we want to hit the telephone analyzer on a ring setting. See the bulb light? So we know that bulb is good. I'm going to shut the ring test off. And so since these legs, I'm trying to get a background here so you can see the bulb good. Since these legs on these bulbs are not made out of the best material in the world, what we're going to do here is we're going to use another piece of material that's a little stronger, and we want to push that through the board here on the telephone. So we just want to make a little loop here and push it through. Push it through where the bulb was soldered in. And then we want to bend. We want to bend the end a little bit. Because what we're going to do is we're going to pull this loop back and solder it. Okay. And we're going to come up here and solder this loop. I'm going to solder this one here. Okay, I'll take a quick look at that. That looks pretty good. Now what we want to do is we want to come around here, and we want to go ahead and position our bulb in the loop, and we want to be able to have this bulb have a little freedom, so we're going to bend the legs out, and see how the legs just snap on that. The leg just snapped on it. So these bulbs are the leads on the bulbs break very easily. So I'm going to run over and I'm going to get another bulb. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn the ringer on, and we're going to check this bulb, make sure it's good, and test it real quick. Sure enough, that bulb was good. And the thing is, with these bulbs, they're all good as long as the glass isn't broke. They're all good. Now I want to turn my ring test off. They're all good. What happens to them is the leads break off. So now what we want to do is we want to get the bulb in position, and then we want to solder them. So it takes a little bit. You just got to be careful of what you're doing. And once we make sure that that the bulb is in good and that it's totally soldered, what we want to do is, I don't like how that ended up there. Once we make sure that we're totally soldered in, then what we can do is we can start trimming our leads. And so now, when this phone is in use, the leads are much stronger that go through the board, and you won't have the stress on the bulb leads as much as you would, and when they were just going through the board. And so the bulb. Another thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of hot glue and we're going to dab it to the board. The other thing that we want to do is we found some bad, I want to check the time here real quick. We found some bad, and I want to tilt this camera a little bit. We found some corrosion on this microphone. And we want to clean that corrosion up. Then I want to take some alcohol on a Q-tip and get that all clean. And then we're going to solder the mic line. I want to resolder that. I didn't like how it looked. And we're also going to resolder some things on the main PC board that I don't like. But first of all, let's get this mic line in so that we can test the phone. And I want to take a look at how my solder came out. Now I can plug the telephone in. We have dial tone. And as you can see on the monitor, I'm going to dial a number. See that 100% modulation light every time I speak? Well, now the microphone is working, and we have to shut the video down because our time limit is up. Thank you for watching, and this is Dennis with A1 Electronics, A1 Telephone Service and Repair. Thank you.